One day I was working on a project when I found a new way of modeling, and that is by using fonts and typing, and a little bit of remeshing, which I will show you from the start to the end, all in this video. So let's get it started. First thing, you need some fonts. But what type of font? Let me show you. You need to search shape fonts. Then it will list you some websites that you can download some fonts from. If I click on one of these, you'll see that there are a lot of shape fonts that you can download. One cool thing that you can do is that you can search for a specific thing that you want. For example, if I search here heart shape, it will only list me heart shaped fonts, and I can just download it from here. After some exploring, I found this font which looks pretty cool and I downloaded it. Now that you have downloaded your font, you then need to extract it. So right click on it and click on extract. After extracting, it will give you two files in two different formats. And since there is not much difference between them, you can use any of them that you want. Now you can head into Blender. Now that we are inside Blender, we first want to delete everything that we don't need. Then we want to add a text object. Now we want to change the font to the font that we just downloaded. So for doing that, we go here in the object data properties and we click on this. Then we navigate to the place we've downloaded our font and select it. Now, as you can see, it works as expected. One thing to keep in mind is that depending on the font that you're using, some keys may not work. In my case, all of them pretty much work. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Right now what I want to do is that I want to delete most of these and only keep one to save on the VRAM. The next step is to convert this text object into a mesh. For doing that, we first need to select it, then right click, convert to mesh. And now as you can see, you don't have that text tab anymore and you cannot change the settings. So keep that in mind. Now, if I go in the edit mode, you'll see that the geometry is pretty chaotic. So we want to fix that by remeshing it. First, let's add a solidifier modifier. Then after that, a remesh modifier. Change it from voxel to sharp and make sure to uncheck this checkbox. Now, turn up this octree depth till you see your shape appearing. Depending on the shape and the font that you're using, it may take you like 5 octree depths or maybe 10 octree depths. For me, I think 9 is enough. But as you can see, it increases our face count drastically. So what we can do is that we can add maybe a decimate modifier to lower that down. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. See ya.